Nowadays, various electronic and electrical devices has been widely used. The security environment required when using these devices is particularly important. Surge attacks may cause damage to them and bring incalculable losses. But fear not, because surge protection device SPD is here to safeguard our precious equipment against suffering as little damage as possible from overvoltage. Let's explore how SPD works. When power surges enter, the SPD responds by lowering its impedance and thus diverting surge current through it to limit the voltage to its protective level. The surges could initiate a power follow current through the SPD and it recovers to a high impedance status after the surges and extinguishes any possible power follow current. And our product also adopts patented thermal protection arc extinguishing technology to completely solve safety when using surge protective device, avoiding electrical fire due to short circuit breakdown caused by thermal runaway of SPD key components. Supplying surge protection devices with highest security, ProSurge has gained